Alright, we are going to deal with spam comments in our YouTube videos. Okay, so let's get into it. First is to log into your channel if you have not logged in, and as you log into your channel, you click on your channel icon on the top right corner. There you can see the write-ups, and here you have to check for your channel. As soon as you click on your channel, it will bring you to this page where you can actually go to your YouTube studio, or you can just click straight to your YouTube studio. So this is the channel page. Click on your YouTube studio, it will take you to where you can find your videos, where you can edit your videos, where you can see your dashboard, your comments, and a whole lot. Network is a little bit slow, and that is why it is slow. So here is your dashboard, and below it is your videos. So if you like, you can click on it to see your videos. But when you click on it to see your videos, you won't know where you have spam comments and where you don't have your spam comments. So you have to go down. Apart from analytics, which is under, you'll see your comments under analytics. So once you click on the comments, it will bring you to varieties of comments you've gotten so far. There are published comments, there are held for review, and there are likely spam comments. So lucky, because I just cleared some of my spam comments recently and my held for review. That is why you are seeing held for review as 0. Okay, now these ones that are likely spam is for me to click on it to see those particular comments that YouTube mark as likely spam. So here they are, and what I have to do now is to go through those comments to see if they are actually harmful, because sometimes it's not all that are harmful to your channel. Like this one says, good appetizing food, I really like it, I really want to try it. For me, I am approving it because I didn't see anything wrong with it, and I didn't note YouTube's notable spam comments in it. If this comment is for my fish roll, then it's good to be approved. And don't forget, you have other comments like dishing it and flagging it, which is to report it. If you think this person is actually deliberately spamming your channel, you can actually flag a comment by whomever. Okay, so now for this particular comment, say like for new friend, please visit my channel. If you like, please support. All these people craving for support, I wonder. And then note that anything that has dots, which is links and all that, YouTube do not support it. Like this one is not a link, but the way the dots came without space, YouTube don't support it. So urge your people that when they are writing a comment for you, they should also always put space after their dots. Okay, so I deleted that one, and this one said great video. Is a typical example of YouTube's spam comment, so I deleted it. Now it is left for me to delete. I deleted this one too because it is still in YouTube spam comment. Nice video, what and what and what. And then I had to approve the last one. Okay, so this is it about likely spam. As you can see, the likely spam is cleared. You have to go to your published videos to see them in there. For the ones you approved, will go back to your published videos, and then you go back to your likely spam to see that it is very, very empty. Do not always allow comment to spam or to be filled in your likely spam, because it is part of the reasons YouTube can actually flag a channel or bring down your channel or even demonetize your channel. So always take note about all these likely spam comments. For here, there is no head for review, that's why it is 0. And if there is, I'll still do the same thing by approving the ones I feel are good and disapproving the ones I feel are not good. I mean, deleting them. I hope you like this channel. I hope you like this tutorial. Please share this video and stay subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye.